You hear that sound? I've heard this sound as a young boy after a long day of training, thinking about what I'm going to do in the tournament the next morning. I remember this sound when I was getting ready to test for my black belt. I remember this sound when I opened my school, my first school. It's a sound of success. It's a sound of living from purpose. It's a sound of being whole with oneself, balanced, confident, because you know you put in the reps, you know that you do the work, and you understand it's not the little things that matter. You understand it's everything that matters. Curriculum design, staff training, writing systems, creating that customer experience, the new student experience, the first year experience. It's planning events. It's about constantly improving that Kaizen theory. Listen to the sound. I'm Brandon Beliso. Go live your best life.